Hi everyone, John Hands Connect here. I have a 2023 Sea-Doo switch. It's the 21-foot cruise model, and I've been kind of converting it into a fishing platform. So in this video I'm discussing installing a raw water washdown system, because the last time I went fishing and caught a shark there was blood all over the deck. So what I did was I bought a FlowJet pump. This is basically just an RV water system pump. So you could get something similar on Amazon for about 75, 80 bucks. With some 3/4 inch hose, 316 or 304 stainless steel hose clamps. And believe me, it's hard to find true stainless steel hose clamps, but they are out there. Now for the intake side of the pump, I have a filter thing that was for through-hole mounting, but I'm not going to do through-hole mounting in this, but I'm still putting it at the end of the hose to filter the water. Now it turns out on the Sea-Doo switch, the outer pontoons do flood with water around the foam. So the trick was to remove some of the foam. This is on my boat near the starboard side, where the ladder is, the swim ladder. So I used a pressure washer with a really fine tip to make a narrow stream, and I just started slicing the foam with my pressure washer, and it came right out. It was a huge mess of black balls, but it does come out. And then I installed a hose bib through the deck right behind the pilot chair, and the rest you can see in the videos where I walk through it. My raw water washdown system. There's the hose bib. This is the pump. And actually, with tie wraps, the hole pattern that appears on these beams holds the pump quite well. There's plenty of room underneath. I haven't put the outlet hose to there yet, but that's a feed through mount hose bib. And here's the suction line where there's a filter on the end, and I used a pressure washer to cut the foam out in this area, since that area floods with water anyway. I think it'll have suction all the time. So there you go, raw water washdown system. And I'll have a hose here, a 10-foot white hose, nice nautical theme. All right, here's my raw water washdown system. And right now I'm just filling my bait tank. So, anyway, pretty good stream. It works. I want to close out this video by talking about the electrical. This pump, when it is deadheaded and running, draws up to 10 amps before it shuts off with its own pressure switch. So you're going to have to go directly to the battery through your own 10 or 15 amp fuse and your own switch to turn this pump system on and off.